is that, Em? What is that? Say, what is that? What is that? Huh? It's more chicken? I'm sorry. Nope. Uh-oh. You got some stuck on your tongue? Is that bothering you? Watching that TV? Huh? You watch some on TV, sis?
I'm trying to, but Heather's head's in the way.
Y'all are in the way. You guys are on the way. You guys are in the way. You want to take that? That's so good. That's good. That's good. Need some applesauce? You want some applesauce?
No.
Yeah. Is that good? Is that good? Uh-oh. Mommy. Mommy, you spilled something. Quit doing that, son. Quit doing that. Quit. Quit doing that. Look up at me.
5, 6 cupcakes.
Okay.
Here's the